Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm cutting straight to the chase and giving you my absolute best, non-fluff tips for anyone just starting out with Ally Bank. I've been banking with them for a while now, and while the online setup is simple, getting the most out of it takes a few key moves. If you're new to Ally, or thinking about making the switch, these are the things I wish someone had told me on day one. Let's dive into the essential tips you need right now. Tip 1. Max out the high-yield savings account. First and most crucial, open the Ally high-yield savings account immediately. The big reason, the annual percentage yield, or APY, is the main reason people choose Ally. I've seen it crush the national average year after year. You open it with zero minimum deposit, and there are no monthly maintenance fees. My experience, when I first switched my emergency fund over, the interest started compounding almost instantly. It's free money just sitting there earning way more than my old brick-and-mortar bank was offering. That's your foundation. Tip 2. Master the bucket system. This is Ally's killer feature for budgeting beginners. Use the savings buckets. What it is, think of these as digital envelopes inside one savings account. You can create up to 30 of them. How I use them, instead of opening 3 separate savings accounts, I have one bucket for my emergency fund, one for my vacation goal, and maybe one for next car down payment. Why it works, it keeps your money psychologically separated for different goals, so you're less tempted to touch the emergency fund for that impulse buy. Crucially, you still earn interest on the total balance, so all your money is working together, but you see progress for each goal visually. Tip 3. Turn on the boosters. Once you have your buckets set up, let Ally automate your growth by enabling the savings boosters. Roundups, I enabled this first. It takes every purchase from my linked Ally spending account, say $$10.50, and rounds it up to the next dollar, dropping that extra $$0.50 into savings. It's painless micro-saving. Surprise savings, this is the one that surprised me. Ally analyzes your linked checking accounts, looks for money that seems safe to move, and will automatically sweep it into savings. You set the rules, but it's a great way to build savings without even thinking about it. Tip 4. Know the cash deposit limitation. This is the biggest adjustment coming from a traditional bank. Ally does not accept physical cash deposits. The reality, if you're someone who gets paid in cash or deals with a lot of cash transactions, you need a plan B. My solution, I either deposit cash at a partner ATM that allows it, check their network, or, more often, I deposit it at my old local credit union first and then immediately ACH transfer it to Ally. Just know this limitation up front so you aren't surprised when you try to deposit a wad of bills and the app says no. Tip 5. Get familiar with customer support. Since Ally is digital, you need to know how to reach a person when things go sideways. The good news, their 24/7 customer service is actually fantastic. They have both phone support and a live chat feature right in the app. Pro tip, before you have an emergency, check out the wait times in the app. They actually display them. I find chatting during the day works best, but the phone line is reliable if you need immediate help, even at 3 a.m. So, that's my 5-point, no-fluff playbook for starting strong with Ally Bank. Maximize that HYSA, use those buckets, activate the boosters, know the cash issue, and trust their support. Follow these tips, and you'll be getting way more out of your money from day one. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you simplify your banking journey. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and please subscribe for more straightforward financial advice. I'll see you in my next video.